Hey everybody, and welcome to Boston, Massachusetts. Today is July 18th, 2023. It's about 9:45 a.m. and it's about 75 degrees out. It is a beautiful but hazy day as we take a look at the beautiful skyline here. Today I'm going to walk basically from Chinatown to the financial district via Lincoln Street. You can see the Welcome to Chinatown sign over there. It's I would call it a humid day. It's not too hot, but definitely you can feel the moisture in the air. It's been like that for a while now. You can see the Chinatown and South Station signs, 93 North too, right here. By the way, to my right is Reggie Wong Park here. Reggie Wong was an American businessman and community leader, familiarly known as Mayor of Boston's Chinatown. There you go, you got some nice basketball courts. Reggie worked to advocate and promote sports and recreational activities for youth and was a consultant for businesses and politicians looking to connect with Chinatown and the Chinese American community. So that's Reggie Wong, and why this park is the Reggie Wong Memorial Park. Take a look at the sign over here. I think you can see it in there. Ah, there we go. It's hard to tell on this little tiny screen back here. Alright, we'll move along. So my guess is that Lincoln Street, getting ahead of myself. My guess is that Lincoln Street is probably named after Lincolnshire County in England. I only say this because Boston itself is named after the city of Boston in Lincolnshire, from which many Puritans originated. And also the city of Lincoln, Massachusetts is named after Lincolnshire, England. So it stands to reason that Lincoln Street would also be named after Lincolnshire. Area 186 Lincoln Street. Yeah, you get really nice views of all the, not all, but some of the financial district buildings and from this direction. As we're about to cross Beach Street, we should get a view of the Chinatown Gate, which is this street coming up on by the corner pub here. Yeah, there it is. All right. Yeah, another thing about the Reggie Wong Park is apparently it's a site where Chinese immigrants and their descendants play the game known as Nine Man, an annual tournament between Chinatown teams across the country, I guess. Well, it started blocks away from the hard court in the 1940s and continues to this day. Interesting. This tall building here is the State Street Financial Center. I think this whole block of buildings here is the Lincoln Plaza. We shall cross the street here. Okay, so we're at the Lincoln Street Triangle. Yeah, I think there we go. Okay, so this building again, that's 1 Lincoln Street. It has 36 stories. It's on the corner of both the financial district and Chinatown. Take a long look up at it. So construction was completed in 2003. The exterior consists of polished and unpolished gray granite for the first 2 floors. Matching precast panels cover the remaining 35 floors. Interesting. Yeah, another look up at it. All right, and our final thing we look at, I think, is right on this corner here, this building, which is the Bedford building, or the Bedford block, which is an historic commercial building in 99 Bedford Street, Boston, Massachusetts, in an area called Church Green. Built in 1875 in a style promoted by John Ruskin called Venetian Gothic. It's a beautiful building. It's actually one of my favorite buildings. You can see the style on the side, but the front of it's really beautiful, which I'll see in a second. The style may also be referred to as Ruskinian Gothic. Interesting. Yeah, it's a real piece of Summer Street, which we're coming upon. Yeah, here's the front of it. I also pointed this out on my Summer Street building, but no problem doing it again. And now we are in the financial district. Actually, I'll close out here and I'll walk down to South Station. Here's 100 Summer Street. So as always, if you enjoyed my video, make sure to hit the like button. If you like my content in general, make sure to subscribe. And check out my photography at WayneOxfordPhotography.com. And I'll wait to come around the corner before ending it. As you can see, we're coming upon South Station. If you haven't watched it and you are interested in Summer Street, just look on my channel for I did a full walk down Summer Street with information. And there is South Station. All right, so I'll see you next time. Thanks for coming along. I appreciate it. Bye.